Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today, as you can see, I have a spring roll sheets. You guys can see I'm going to make spring roll because I'm going to have a small party, and so I'm just going to prepare for that. So I was just thinking to make the spring roll and freeze them so it will be easy for me. So here I have the sheets. So now I'll tell you what I'm going to do with the sheets. So here I have all the sheets out from the packet, and now I will take one sheet out and then I will cut like this. So I'm going to cut all the sheets like this, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to make with these. So the cutting part is done, so that's how they look like. So now we'll move to the next step. Okay, so here I have boneless chicken and I marinated this. You guys can marinate with any kind of spices. I added chili powder, coriander powder, and little bit of chicken tikka masala. So that's what I add, and now I'm going to wrap the spring roll. So I will show you how to wrap. So guys, here I have some sheets and I'm going to put this chicken piece here and just wrap it around. It doesn't have to be perfect, just wrap it like this, press it a little bit, and then it will be done. And so here you can see, and after making all these I'm going to freeze them, and then they will be ready to fry anytime. Okay guys, so I'm going to fry the spring roll. Remember, I made the spring roll, I showed you how to make it, and I put them in the freezer, and I took it out like an hour and a half before, and they were out. Now they're ready to fry. Okay, so guys, these are done. These are like golden brown, and do not fry them on high heat, otherwise your chicken will not cook from inside. So just fry on medium high slowly. So as you can see, looking good. Hey everyone, how is everyone doing today? As you can see, my house is looking so messy right now. We are having guests over today, and as you can see, Nabil is helping me for cleaning. He's very good in cleaning. Whenever anybody comes or I need help for cleaning, so he does all the cleaning. He's very helpful for me. So he's doing here now, and then he'll go upstairs and do the cleaning upstairs, and I'm almost done with cleaning, and I have to clean the kitchen and all that. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so right now I'm in Arshi's room. Nabil is done cleaning downstairs and he's gonna do his room, and Arshi's cleaning her room. She's changing the bed sheet right now. You wanna say hi, Arshi?
Hi guys.
What are you doing?
I'm changing my bed sheets, and then I'm going to vacuum my room. My room
Okay,
is such a
and
mess.
it's just such a mess, so it's going to be clean. So guys, Nabil is cleaning his room now, and I'm going to help him a little bit because he's doing a very good job. He just finished downstairs, so I'm going to help him now.
Look how clean my room looks now. It literally looks so good. And there's like vacuum lines and everything. What are you doing?
I'm cutting salad.
What do you have left to do?
Not much. I just have to make rice, and I think almost done my cooking. And what left? Yeah, I have to fry the spring roll,
Okay.
and that's all.
What did you make today?
I will show whatever I made, so it's a surprise.
Okay guys, people are about to be here. We have the drinks up here, and then we have the salad in the middle. And then over here we have the chicken spring rolls with the chutney and this cute little thing. And then there's a different type of chutney in there. This one's like mint. And then over here, the first thing that we have is palak paneer, which is like the spinach dish, and then white chicken korma, which she like filmed a recipe for that. and then the kebabs, which
Karahi kebab.
yeah, that. So yeah, and then
And we have rice here.
here's the rice.
Here's the rice.
And there's rasmalai for dessert. So
And we still have fruits in the.
yeah, and we have fruit in the fridge too that's going to be out here. So yeah, mom's been working hard all day. Here's this cute little stand that we got a while ago. So it has like forks and stuff, and then spoons on this side, and then there's like napkins in the middle, and then trays at the bottom. Here's the naan. So we're just wrapping them up in foil so that they stay warm until people get here.
Everything is ready.
Okay.
Okay guys, so our party is over. Everybody left, and as you can see now, cleanup time. It's all messed up here, but everybody loves the food and they just left. So now we're going to clean up and everything. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.